First, name the attributes of your products and select their attribute groups for convenient management. Click Save, and then you can add the corresponding attribute values, such as those related to texture attributes, like cotton, linen, and flax. After the editing is completed, you can edit the attributes of your product in the Product section. Attribute groups can be edited in advance or added when editing the product. By default, 10 attributes are displayed. If the number exceeds 10, you need to manually enter the letters of the attribute values, and the system will automatically filter them for you.